How to get rid of a maggot infestation. Maggot infestations often occur in trash cans and underneath carpeting. They occur when a fly gets into a certain area and lays eggs. Often, the smell of rotting food will attract flies and maggots. Getting rid of a maggot infestation will take a little determination but is well worth the effort. To reduce maggot infestations, you should get rid of rotting food, empty and clean your trash can, steam clean your carpet and other areas of your home. Method 1. Tackling garbage can infestations. Step 1. Remove all garbage from the can. You'll need good work gloves to remove the garbage from the can. Get rid of any leftover debris at the bottom of the can. Put it in a garbage bag. Get rid of all garbage on collection day or take it to a dumpster. It is best to tackle the garbage can infestation after collection day, so that your can is empty. You may also want to clean out your garbage disposal if you suspect that you may have maggots living in there as well. Pour boiling hot water and vinegar down the sink after you clean out the garbage disposal tank. Step 2. Boil water. When you are ready to tackle the infestation, fill a large cooking pot with water and turn on the stove. You could also use an electric kettle. Once the water is boiling, pour it over the maggots in the trash can. Boiling water will instantly kill the maggots. Make sure to hit every inch of the garbage can with boiling water. Step 3. Clean the garbage bin or trash can. Empty the trash can of all contents, including the dead maggots. Rinse out the can with a garden hose. Fill a bucket with hot, soapy water. Put on some work gloves and clean the inside of the can with a stiff brush and the soapy water. You can also use a mixture of 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water to clean the can. You can also try rubbing down the interior of the can with mint oil, which is supposed to repel maggots. Do not pour the water into a storm drain as they usually flow directly into local lakes, streams or other clean water sources. Step 4. Dry the trash can. Since maggots love moisture, you want to thoroughly dry your trash. Put it in a sunny spot on the driveway. You could also dry it with a few rags. Be sure to repeat this process every week or 2 in order to keep the maggots from returning. Step 5. Line your can with jumbo trash bags. Once you have removed the maggots and cleaned the can, you'll want to ensure they don't get back in. Line your can with large trash bags and then put a large elastic band around the edges, so that nothing can get between the bag and the bin. Step 6. Crumble eucalyptus and bay leaves around the can. Flies and maggots dislike eucalyptus, bay and mint. Try crumbling some of the leaves of these plants and then placing them either inside or around the trash can.